Everything all right? Hare Krishna. So we have published our Nectar of Devotion. So every one of you should read this Nectar of Devotion repeatedly. The whole substance of Vaishnava philosophy and activities, everything is there. So, every one of you read this Nectar of Devotion once, twice, thrice, unless you have got full-fledged ideas what is this devotional service. That was written by, actually it was spoken by Lord Chaitanya to Rupa Goswami. For 10 days continually he instructed Rupa Goswami at Prayag, the Sashramit Ghat. You have seen the picture in TLC. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu was Allahabad, Prayag, and Rupa Goswami met him there. He was offering obeisances flat. You have seen that picture. So, at that time, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu personally gave him instruction, what is this cult of bhakti. So, for 10 days, and he took note of it, and later on he placed this book in the form of Bhakti Rasamrita Sindhu. That is in Sanskrit. It will be difficult for you. Therefore, I have presented a summary study. This summary study has come to 407 pages. So if you have to elaborately describe each and every verse, then it would have come to at least 1,000 pages. So the whole substance is creamed. You should take advantage of this. And don't indulge in much unnecessary talks. Time should be very properly utilized. Ayusachanaya kopi na labhya sarna koti bhi. Value of time is so great that one moment of your life lost, it cannot be returned, even in exchange of millions of dollars. Therefore, every moment should be properly utilized. Abhartha kalatyam. When one is advanced in Krishna consciousness, his business becomes to see whether I am wasting my time. That is one of the signs, advance, the word. Abhartha kala, namagane sadaruchi. Attachment for chanting always. Priti tad vasati sthale. And attraction or attachment for living in the temple. Vasati, where Krishna lives. Krishna lives everywhere, but specifically to give us chance to meet. He lives in the temple or in places like Vrindavan. So, priti tas vasati sthale. One should be enhanced in attachment for living where Krishna is living. priti tatmas, namagane sadaruchi. And taste for singing always the holy name. These are development. Ādau śraddhā, tato sādhu-saṅgaḥ. All of you who come here, it is out of śraddhā. Some, what is called, what is the exact English word for śraddhā? Devotion, you can take devotion. Those who come here, their first principle is they have some regard that this Krishna consciousness movement is nice, let me see. So this is the beginning, Ādau śraddhā. And then sādhu-saṅgaḥ, then associate with these devotees. Then, after some time, when he is little advanced, more, then he is eager to become initiated. This is third stage, as some of the students are going to be initiated today. The initiation means bhajana-kriyā. Actually executing devotional service, initiation. And if one actually executes devotional service, then Anartha-nivṛttiḥ, syāt, then all nonsense habits will disappear. Then I will not have to stress on the point these four regulative principles, automatically it will go out. That is the test. How one has properly utilized his initiation will be tested, that he has no more attraction for these four principles. Illicit sex, intoxication, gambling and meat eating. They will automatically go. There is no need of asking. Anartha-nivṛttiḥ. Then ruchi. When one is freed from all these prohibitive principles, then he develops a taste. Tato ruchi, tato nishtha. Then he steadily conforms. Tataḥ shakti. Then attachment, he cannot go. He cannot go. Tataḥ shakti tato bhāva. Then ecstasy. Then he comes to the platform of love of God. So, when that platform is reached, then everything is successful. And if that platform is not reached, then everything is simply waste of time. But in the beginning, if we follow these principles as laid down by Srila Rupa Goswami and other acharyas, so these things, one after another, everything is very clearly explained in this nectar of devotion. So each chapter you should read very carefully. And if you cannot understand, read it repeatedly. Don't all of a sudden, reading one or two pages, immediately question, Prabhupada, what is this, what is this, what is this? Go on reading, and the answers will automatically come. So, this valuable book is now published. You should take full advantage. So, chant this mantra.